Hi, my name is Ted Ciuba, your host for another episode of 101 Success Secrets from the new Think and Grow Rich. Here to make sure you turn your life around, stay on focus, achieve your dreams. People ask, well, what is this quantum science that's so connected and so integral in your philosophies and in your quantum business acceleration? And what's this HoloMagic? Oh, I say they're actually very, very close to the same. HoloMagic relating more to how it works, and it in action, and quantum is the science and the understanding of it all. But I'll put together 6 simple points that explain the concept. 1. The observer affects the observed. All is potential. Now this is science, by the way, I'm not making this up. And we can't tell if something is going to be energy or going to be matter. Remember, this whole concept is about changing energy, the desire for riches, into its physical equivalent, money, monetary equivalent. The observer affects the observed. We've proven it at the sub-micro level. We know it up here. If I'm dejected and don't go for a deal, I'm the one who ruled myself out. If I'm positive, I got the best, and I go in, I'm the one who put myself in. The observer affects the observed. Thoughts are things. They're not separate. Not in this quantum world. It's the same potentiality. Everything moves from spirit into matter, back into spirit. It can move back and forth several times. The observer affects observed. Everything is spirit, not different. Thoughts are things. The quantum leap. Explosive income leaps without going through all the incremental intermediary stages. It's a leap, happens explosively, permanently to another higher level. Quantum leaps can be caused to happen. That's point number 4. Once we discover them, once we figure out what causes, then it's easy thing. We set up the causes, just like once we learn, it's how you hit the angle you hit a cue ball at, or a pool ball, that determines where it goes. Once we learn that science, then we can begin to craft our strategy to sink the most pool balls. Do the same thing with the quantum leap.
Number 5 and number 6 we kind of take together. 5, you must make a qualitative change, and your boldness happens the quantum leap. That's a 2-part. Qualitative change. You must do something different. Doing more of the same of what isn't working now isn't going to work any better. Well, maybe only just a little bit better, but you might burn out in the meantime. And we say the quantum leap knows if you're afraid. You must enter into it with the confidence, conviction of a champion. You must enter in knowing that you achieve. It's a catchy thing when you also know at the same time you're going on a leap, which by definition for a terrestrial being is a little bit unsettling. And number 6, it does not require more work. Usually it requires a lot less. And like I said, number 5 and 6 we lump together with a story that Price Pritchett tells in his book, U Squared. There's a fly trying to get out the window, and it can see freedom, right? Boom, bong, boom, bong. Only thing is, the window is down, the window is shut, so he keeps hitting the glass, even though he can't see the glass. Can't see it, it can't exist, right? We should take some insight from his other senses. And he keeps trying harder and harder, and you know what? The strategy he has chosen is doomed to failure. In the morning, the cleaning lady will come in. There'll be a dead fly on the windowsill, legs up, stiff, and she won't do anything more than brush them with a cloth that she won't even touch them by hand, right? A cloth or a brush into a sack, and everything's case closed. The interesting thing is, less than 10 feet away, flying through open air, no threats, the door is open. Now what gave that fly that fixed lock on doing the same thing over and over again? Oh, I know his strategy. Do it harder, do it more of it. You know, back up now instead of 10 feet before I hit the window, it's 12 feet before I hit the window. And oh, the headache is even worse. It's 20% worse than it was last time. Doomed to failure. When 10 free feet of open flight could have given that fly every desire he had.
And since you liked this secret so much, we've got a collection, 101 Success Secrets from the new thinkandgrowrich.com, waiting for you, yours free, to make your life and you better in every way. See you there.